Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at how to get the Lenovo Yoga laptop to switch over to HDMI to extend a screen. So I have a screen right behind that right there. And we're going to take a look at how to do that. It's actually pretty easy. So all you need is an HDMI cord, and that looks like this. On the left side of the laptop, you're going to see this port right here. I'm just going to plug it in here, and you need to make sure that the other side is plugged into the display. I have a monitor laying face down right now, and this is the back. I have the other side of the HDMI cord, and you're going to plug it into HDMI in. Okay, now that we have the HDMI cord all plugged up, what we want to do is we are going to press on the laptop the Windows and the P key, and it's going to show this little option right here. On the lower right portion of the laptop, you're going to see the PC screen only. Basically means that you're only going to see the PC screen and nothing on the extra monitor. If I come down here and hit duplicate, you'll see that the monitor now duplicates the laptop. If I come down and hit extend, which this is the one that I find most helpful, so I can actually do something else. I effectively have a second screen. Let me open Copilot so I can show you that it actually works. See, so I'm running two screens at the same time. The last option is second screen only, which means that I'm just going to be working with the larger screen. And you'll see that once I click that, it only works with the larger screen. All right, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it on down below.